Now you me know. SWAT team. Pretty girl storm. Fret them. Tanya. What am I dealing with? Ask them what am I dealing with now. Tell them. You know no big, on no band and heavy. Any girl this or not tonight, them a go bury Jixie ball. You know no big, on no band and heavy. Now you me know. Tell them on the rap pam pam pam. Tell them some we don't pound and sound. Anything test dead on the rap pam pam pam. Pretty girl storm. Listen me now, pretty girl storm. Give me the weed, gun ganja weed. Want to burn it down, can you will burn down the breed. Give me the weed, gun sense the weed. SWAT team, tell them. You need no reason for kill because they kill without a cause. They may not them break. SWAT team no need no reason for kill because they kill without a cause. Pretty girl storm, guess what now? So boy, knocking about it. I fool them. Knocking about it. Salute! Big up on yourself, Jixie King say. Don't know mad no, bad.
Man, this fucking woman, we can't even call her woman, she a blood clot animal. This fucking animal. Hold on, let me turn this shit down. And then talk and say the most and go on like we are the troublemaker when she are blood clot trouble people. Hi Wayne, what's up? Yeah, this fucking skirmish, she are the one where I trouble people, but then have the nerve to attack more people that don't have nothing to do with nothing. And I class them. Move your big blood clots up. Move yourself. Jankro. Hold on. Hold on there. I'm going to show you some stuff here. Okay, look at this. This is what I put on my story, right? Look at the writing at the bottom. Look how long ago that was. When she first started calling them name and SWAT team name and start saying a bag of things about us, we went to go see who she was. You know what I mean? To go see who this person is that's calling her name. Obviously, this person don't know we, because when we seen her, we're like, who the fuck is this ugly woman? Like, where's she come from? Right? Boom. I asked her. She looked familiar. So I'm like, did you used to live in Finch? Hear the woman, who say I live in Finch? That has nothing to do with nothing. And she said, hola black. So I went on my next page and I came and addressed her and I'm like, why are you blocking people for having their own opinion? You see what I'm saying? I'm asking you a question. All you have to do is say no, yes or no. But no, she wanna cuss. As soon as she blocked me, she said me a stripper, me a this and me a that. Bitch, that was the page. It wasn't the Storm Boasie TV. Thanks for the promotion, though, ho. Thank you. Yep. You guys can keep reporting. You guys could keep going on your page and talking about the Candy Lake show and my Storm Boasie SWAT page. It's a killer no and a beat on a bad. On a fucking dirty bad mind. Bad fucking mind. That's all I could say. On a blood clot bad mind. And wicked. Up Sharon. These fucking hoes. All they do is just sit there. Bad mind people. It's not our fault that the people like us. We're likable people. Don't get it twisted. Nobody don't like Ape. Ape, nobody not like you. And it's not even to say, even if she was a little bit good looking, you know what I mean? Then she could have probably passed and get where. But the fuck are ugly, no blood clot ugly. Not even midnight ugly, so. Jesus. You had the friggin' nerve to come and chat people. Look on her mouth, people. Look on the mouth. Just the mouth alone. The fucking buff teeth. Your teeth them buff, you fuck. I can't tell the people them fucking lies. Thanks for promoting my page, though. My Storm Boasie SWAT TV. Thank you. Because it's a new page. Why would I go on your page for you to block me? I never went on your page. Why are you looking story? Don't use me as your fucking topic on your page. You have nothing else to talk about? Dumb hoe? Why don't you talk about stuff that's happening in the white people them house? That you're showing now. Oh, I'm at my job, this and that. Now it's your job? The internet is your job, bitch. Because you're on it 24 fucking 7 and know everybody's business on the internet. Wagwan. If you were anybody that's a nurse on this right now, on this live, you guys talk to me and tell me. Because I know people who are a nurse and trust you me, as soon as they reach home from work, all they want to do is take off their scrubs, go in the shower, wash their scrubs or whatever. They end up eating like some food and go to them bed. They don't have no time for the internet. Even if they do, it's a few things that they'll watch and that's it, because they're drained and they're tired. They're on their feet all day. There's no way this bitch is no fucking nurse. Nurse me bumbo rasclat. Nurse where? And even as a PSW, that's what they call them over here, right? PSW. Even as a PSW, you're still going to be tired because you're taking care of people all day. A bare shit she talk, yo. Bare lies. And then you know what? When she lies and then we beat her with the truth, she'll come back again with more lies on top of that lie, and then on top of it, and she keep lying all over and over and over again. Like, bitch, just say the truth. Like, you don't have it. If you don't have it, it's okay. Not everybody's fucking perfect. Not everybody's gonna be rich. And stop saying that you own this. Okay, you own a bar, you own a pub, you're a landlord, you're this and you're that. Okay. But we ain't see it. We're justice for the pool. Where the swimming pool gone, people? Could somebody answer that question, please? I'm waiting. Da-da-dee, da-da-da. Yo, this fucking bitch. Yo, she just grieved my spirit, yo. Come calm the good name. Don't do it. You're fucking bright. Don't fucking do it, yo. On top, but look, I see you had to block them and moving the camera quick and fast. Moving the camera. Why you moving the camera, ho? Why? Fucking fool. Or Jezebel. I have the nerve, yeah, I call people whore. And I call people, say people have different baby father. And them have you have three baby daddy. What are you talking about? You have Tony, the one who run where? And Big Mac, who ran away. And now you're with Jimmy, a.k.a. Jay. Okay, that's 3. And your baby father, the one that's the Casper the ghost, he's not the one, he's not the baby father for all your kids. Stop lie. Stop blood clot lie. Because 2 men, you try to give the first one to, and he ran. You gave it to the light-skinned man with the fucking braids. The one we're dead. The one that died, your baby father that died a few weeks back. Like 14 weeks back. Okay? Are you not come talk about that? You're not going to come talk and say your baby father died just the other day, bitch? Yeah, you have to come talk them things there. Yep. The snow cover it must candy must be. Cause me no see it. All me see is a chaka backyard with bare snow. That's all me see. She always be looking for side to side, see if anyone's coming. Yes, me I go show it. Me I go play that the video there. Okay, watch out. Watch her. That wasn't the page, people. This was not the page that she blocked in the beginning. She's so fucking lie. Stop lying. You're the liar. I didn't lie about anything. That's my new page. Why would you block my new page? And I don't go on your page. Period. You're fucking lying cunt. Yeah, we set the trend, bitch. You never know that? All them there. Where them they did there. Pop, 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 pop. You fucker, yo. With two big bike on the burger and the Benz. Give them the latest trends. Chatty from down a garden. Never beg no friend from down a south. We have uncle, now you have all of them. As the youngest, oh, you fit talk about you let me know when chance young them. Fancy them all about. Eh. We say a song and then we play. Fancy face, blood clot, girl. So watch you fancy them a ball out. Bumble clot. Hup. Okay, yo. Look at that. Look at that, people. Talk truth now. Da-da-dee. Da-da-da. That is the so-called basement or bedroom, whichever one you want to call it. You know, say blood clot dark. I hope him head fronts peel out so. Peel out your fuck. Peel the fuck out. Fucking have the nerve. Watch out. Comfortable. That's what she said, you know. Comfortable. She's comfortable. In the people in bed with the hat on her head. How that go? How it go? Tell us how it go. Kind of feel bed that is not in your room or the so-called guest room or the attic. Which one is it? Because the guest room, you say a guest room, which is your actual bedroom. Okay, the room with the tub in the bathroom that's in your room, the one with the bathtub with the fandangles and stuff, that actually is the so-called guest room, and the attic bedroom. Shut the fuck up, dog shit. Watch out. Hold on there. Watch out. Like people don't know it's her, people. Like people don't see the dog shit ugly girl. Eh? The ugly girl. But work mode. Work mode Maras. I lie down for the people them good bed. Nasty girl. Get up. Oh, germs box. Get up. You're fucking bright. Damn bright. Watch out. Oh, fucking sufferer. We know the house ain't yours. We know. We've been known that the house is not yours. Look how you look. Fucking dummy. She fool? One girl fool, sir. Don't fucking kill me. You want to see my piece of it, okay? Since I renovated my shit, I could pay money to get it done. And it now look like your blood clot chaka basement where you so-called fix up. Damn jackass. And you want to see my spare bedroom? You want to see a spare bedroom? Look, yeah. That's how a spare bedroom for fucking look, dog shit. Take a picture of it. Yeah? That's how a spare bedroom is supposed to look for your guests. Okay, John Crow? Alright, dog shit? Yeah. The floors are nice and just done. Yes. You see the walls, bitch? They ain't dark. It ain't dark like your house. Fucking bright. Think we live like you, ho? I live like you. My house is over fucking $500,000. Get the fuck out of here, bitch. That's $500,000. Fuck you take this for? You know people? You don't know why them look at the alibas, David, huh? Working at which hospital? Christian, which hospital that? No. Hospital me bombo. Which hospital? Which one? And she there in a people house with mask and hat on her head with glasses on the top of the hat. Can't bother. She frightened. Frighten your fuck. Yeah, you see what Lyin cause? You see? Don't fucking kill me. A bare gunshot. Me like nice things. Me like nice things, and my man know that. Yep. My man knows that me like nice things. Anything I want, anything that I want, and I know I don't have the money right now for it, me I gotta save and get it. So just the way that she talks, she's like, oh, I'm gonna get this and get that, and the way you show your blood clot table, then the way you show up on Boasie, and I talk about, see Brass, see I live somewhere, look, see the old blood clot ancient table with the ancient blood clot couch and the fucking the living room, dining room, and everything in a one big square. Dining room, living room, kitchen, everything. You can just walk 2 feet and you reach one spot. Like, get the fuck out of here, please. Please, bitch. Look, you see nice floor, dog shit. All right, and you see how the paint look nice. Idiot gal, it don't look like yours. Pussy wall. They're fucking bright. Watch ya. Watch your blood clot, gal. Our twin. See the twin there? Yep. That's her twin. Wanna see it? Yep, shots fired. Gunshot a beat. A beer gunshot a beat over here, so she fi go suck her mother. And stop calling me fucking name. Stop calling me name. You already get dragged in a blood clot court. What the fuck you trouble people for, girl? You're fucking troubling people. I have nothing to do with you. My page has nothing to... Why is my page hurting you so much? Why is Island Candy's page hurting you guys so much? Because we're happy over here. We're happy to blood clot over here. Fuck off. Look at this. Jacket in a house. That's your house, bitch. And you wear jacket. Come on now. You don't even know what a fucking tripod is. See the tripod there? Don't know what a fucking tripod is, you waste gal. Oh, skirmish. Move your dirty blood clot. You're bright. You're fucking bright. Hold on. Let me show you guys something. Hold on, me dig up the file. Hold on there. I'm looking, people. 1 second. And show us that talk about money. See blood clot money there, bitch. See my money there, bitch. You wanna see? You fucking enough. You wanna see 2 blood clot much? Watcha. U and J. See U and J there? You fuck are you? Don't they look nice? Talk truth, people. Talk truth. Don't they look good? They look good though. Watch your wedding dress. Me baba. Watch the fucking watch the flower upon Mr. Man over here. He's not even a smile to Ross. He's not smiling. No face expression, nothing. The man look upset. Like how Jay look right now in your blood clot house. Fucking dirty girl. And the man I got blood clot divorce. You post a wall. We hear you say it on your video. But oh, my husband could divorce me because I'm a type of girl that work and I'm defending my family. I'm defending my. Shut the fuck up. The man want to divorce your dirty blood clot because he knows, and he told you to get off live with those people. Get off of the internet, and you never listen to. You get flinging a blood clot courthouse. You fucker, yo. Now watch ya. See it there? Her son is the only black one there, so. The only black one with black hands. You don't see nobody else hand on it. Me and her tomorrow, me she move her dirty blood clot, please. She don't know nothing about me. She can't say nothing about me. She don't know nothing. Cause my house don't look like your house, and we can't post up my house right now. I talk about my Christmas tree. Bitch, I'm not the one that's coming on live and fucking gallivanting and showing off to people every day what I have and what I don't have. You are. That's how you stay. That's exactly how you are. You show people this and show people that, like say you're rich. You know, blood clot, rich and have nothing. Does this look familiar, ho? Does that look familiar? Look at it good. Does that look familiar to you? Okay then. We're not even gonna open up my blood clot mouth. Yeah. We're not saying nothing. Yeah. Just I give you a little time before me fling it out blood clot. That's all. Me and my boo driving in a car. I'm driving in the car and my man's massaging my leg, bitch. Your man don't do that. You never see Jay in the car we have massage your blood clot legs. Like saying, want fuck you right now. Move your dirty blood clot. Jay look like he hate you. And I'm so skinny and fragile. Look like him I got drop down every minute. And you cook so much blood clot food. Talk truth, people. She cook so much blood clot food every day. With our old blood clot meat, which is about to expire. About to blood clot expire. And the man look fragile. Yeah, fuck. Look like the man going drop down. Man look like, and you call people, man, old. Move your blood clot. You're fucking bright. You're fucking bright. You fucking what this girl? See my leg, bitch? You see my leg? My foot looks nice. In a crusty like for your blood clot on. Outdated. Everything you wear is blood clot outdated. Nasty girl. You can't dress. You have no style. You have nothing about you. Nothing. Not one fuck about you. What I don't understand, why lie about something that you don't have? People should be grateful for what they have because they work for it. Stop the pretending and stay. Exactly. Stay in your fucking lane. If you can't afford it, you just work. Save, and then you'll get it. It ain't hard. But you're making it seem like everybody on the internet, the wall we broke like dog. We broke like church mouse. None of we don't have nothing. And she have all of it. She have everything. She can afford everything. But bitch, you're the same one that came on a video and said that you are cheap. That you are cheap. And that you don't like purchasing stuff, so you make stuff basically on your own, like your fucking decorations and shit. Dumb fucking hoe. Rich people don't fucking make the decoration. They go out the road and go buy it. They go buy them. Stop tell people say your blood clot rich. Stop. And then you have money. You're broke like church mouse, broke like dog. And the money that you get is from fucking child tax benefit. And I hate when the pussy was say, oh, Storm Boasie, I'm gonna report you and I'm gonna stop your child tax. With what name, bitch? How are you gonna report me? By alias? And who you gonna report me to? Revenue Canada? To stop my child tax. Can you imagine how much people she actually did that to? And call Revenue Canada on them and reported them to immigration, and she's the one that's saying that she don't do these things, but you hear her clearly call fucking CPS on Tanya and Chin Allen, which is not even her name. That's an alias, you dumb fuck. You call them on Chin Allen and then Jesus Christ, me can't bother. Me can't be bothered. I can't. This woman is a fucking tyrant. You want me to tell you what she is? She knows she's ugly, right? She know that. She was born that way. She don't have no mom in her life. She was raised by her dad and her stepmom. Bitch, you want me to tell your whole life story over that? You want me to tell your whole life story? Because I could do that. And rinse out your file all down to your brother them. Your two brother. The one where you said that you don't, that he never got deported. First of all, you're lying. Your brother did get dipped. He got dipped. And the same guy who he ended up getting charged with, who your brother got charged with, you end up fucking nasty gal. Talk about that. Talk about that. So when you said I'm at my brother's house. I'm at my brother's house. He has 6 barrels and this and that. What the fuck does the barrels have to do with him getting deported? What does it have to do with him getting dipped? That has nothing to do with him getting deported, you dog shit. Nothing at all. And you have another brother that is still in Toronto. So what are you talking about? So when you said you went over to your brother's house, it could have just well been the other brother. Nobody on an idiot. We on a dumb. We not stupid. Fuck out of here. I love talk about people down in her what do you call it? Her gold teeth or something like that. I heard the fucking idiot say. But your dad has 2 big fucking gold teeth in the front of his mouth. So what are you talking about? And he still lives in Jane and Finch till today, right now. He still lives in Driftwood. So what y'all talking about? How it go? How it blood clot go? Stop calling my name. Go deal with what you have to deal with. And leave people the fuck alone, bitch. Aren't you tired of fucking this back and forth shit? I don't like you. Just don't call my name, yo. Don't use my name for nothing. To try to get shit. You can't be me. You would never be like us. Ever in life. Okay? Ever. You're making it seem as if fucking Instagram page is everything. Bitch, bye. Bye. Look at this, people. That's the man that did. Yeah. You see this one that's on the left? That's the one with the bushy hair. The one that has the longer hair than the other son. Right? That's his fault. God, Jesus. Let me shut up. Da-da-dee. Dee-da-da-da. That is the jacket. Okay? That's a jacket, a vest, and the whole blood clot suit. Nobody can tell me say that ain't father. Nobody. But the man, she give the man the jacket because his hair was soft and nice, right? But in black and ugly. And the man work with it and take him as his, as his child. But him never take the next one. And guess what? She was giving it to Big Mac and Big Mac run away. Yep. And then she's like, she knows everything about me, but I don't know anything about, because I have links. I know people. I know people that know people that know you. And that's why I keep saying, stop drawing me out there. Stop drawing me out, because there's people that know you. Okay? Fucking dummy. And you don't have to worry where I know you from. I know you. Even from when you used to go to fucking Westview, bitch. I know. First you tell the people them say my name Shireen. Then you tell the people them say my name this amount as person. Make up your fucking mind. You're so stupid, you know that, right? You fucking dog shit. Look ya. Watch your blood clot mouth. Come on, talk to me. And I don't wanna say anything really too bad about him because he is doing good things in the community. You see what I'm saying? But his mother is a jankro, a duppy bat. Her sons don't even want to be around her. They're never home. Especially the other one that smokes weed all day with his friends at their house around the corner from where she lives and making their noise in the white people in the area and have to be calling police on them daily. And they're smoking weed and doing how much other drugs we don't know about. You see what I'm saying? She can't step in my shoes. You mad? You see her foot them big. Her foot them coming like baby coffin. Me not ask Christ. And her foot then dry and wide and ugly. Oh God. Hold on, let me see if me have the picture. Come here, have the picture of her foot too. Watch her. Dry head of that. The same blood clot hairstyle from she day in a school. Eh? I have nothing so say about her kids till she finds mine that she looking for. Her sons are in school, which is a good thing, right? But you see, one thing with us, we give them the benefit of the doubt. You see what I'm saying? Especially the people we have blood clot costs. We can give them the benefit of the doubt because that's being truthful. You understand? She doesn't do that. And even the other day, she was like, on one of her videos, I seen her say something about, if I know I'm wrong about something, I'm gonna I would tell it as it is or something like that and come and apologize or whatever. Apologize where? You fucking dummy. Because you don't know and you're trying to draw me out to say, oh no, my name is this. Storm Boasie is the only name that you would ever know. Ever in life. Until me book you. Then me would tell you my name. You fucking dog shit. Watch out. See the next Sunday. Look just like him father, Big Mac. Look just like him. Watch out. Here's a pic of my face. Enjoy. Watch your face. Don't fucking kill me. See the man there? We're dead. That's the next son. We get trouble. Yeah. Love give trouble. See your house there, bitch? That's your whole layout of your house. The whole layout of the room and everything. This is a life on. Yep, your fucking brother. Why get the poor come down in a one pants? Come off of the people them blood clot bed. You're bright. Watch the hair. Watch the hair, people. Watch the hair. Watch the face, no? Watch how she's going to show their computer. Oh, hold on. This one's not the full one. Guest room, me bumbo. Guest room. The fuck I lie? Watch how she look round, people. Watch how she look round. Her eyes are go all about. Get off of the people them blood clot bed. You're bright. Fucking bright and wicked. Hold on. Hold on, the people. See the blood clot bathroom there with the washer and dryer. You see it? Who put so much stuff around the countertop? Like, come on now. Come the fuck on. Come on, bro. The fucking bright. I never talk about good, decent people. Move your blood clot, you old fucking peasant. See it, yeah? That's the old John Crow. No, I know your room, John Crow. Get up. Watch your face, no? Fucking dopey. Watch her. You know the people them closet. Nasty girl. Come out. Waste girl. Watch how they slam the door. Listen. Listen, people. You frighten our blood clot. You fucker, yo. Them no want you in a them house. That's why they lock them blood clot door. You see how she stand up and she frightened? Yeah, look. Watch how she's gonna show the people them Apple computer. Fucking thief. Oh, criminal. Nasty girl. Germs box. Watch, you know the people them draw. Fucking thief. Watch her shirt. Thrift store at its best. Watch how she look. Watch how she look round. Watch her mouth. You fucking ugly skirmish bitch. Put on the people them things, you fucker, yo. They should have grabbed you in there and arrest you. Put the handcuff on your hand, you fucking thief. Oh, nasty girl. Watch how she's gonna show the people them computer. And she's gonna look outwards. See there? She's looking outwards while she's showing the people them Mac. Show that today, right now. The white people them's pictures right over the Mac computer. Watch out. Watch out. Oh, John Crow. Show these rooms now. Show them right now, Osha. Her name is Osha Saunders. Osha Nicole Saunders. Show them now. You fucking duppy. You see how your face fell on my blood clot bottom on my foot? Your head dry like. Fucking look like bumble brush come out of the people them purse. Oh, teeth. Watch her. I go and send it to the fucking owner them, you see? And make them blood clot. Arrest you and lock you up. Fucking teeth in pussy hole. That's why she don't show her face no more, people. Watch her. And a face scarf that. What? Look at her clothes. Oh my God, have mercy. Well, Coach bag. Are you guys hearing this, duppy? Are you guys seeing this? She's rummaging through their closet. Oh my goodness, yo. This woman needs to go to jail. Can you imagine if I seen this on my fucking camera in my house? That's why she don't video in the hallways and stuff. She has it right to her chest. She has it right by her chest to make it look like she's walking with the phone in her hand. Fucking teeth. Who by the people them blood clot things? Nasty girl. Watch her. Look on the fucking shoes. And you want to come chat to bad girl like me? Or germ spit? Or vomit? They're fucking bright. Look at the condition of the foot. That's why you can know them gal, yeah. Them gal, yeah, like pedicures are so fucking cheap. Feet done? Look on the fucking dry foot where she pushing at the beat down fucking shoes. And look at the condition of the car. There's papers all over on the ground and all kind of shit. Well, Porsche me bumbo clat. Porsche which part? Where? Look at the condition of her fucking van. This is where she... You see the circle thing right here at the top? That's where she was putting the keychain over it at fucking Porsche. Move your blood clot, you fucking old wicked bitch. See your sister here? Lord Jesus, I don't know if we want to show our sister picture. Watch the barrel. Look on the boot. Who in Jamaica is gonna wear those fucking boots? And this is when her sister rub her out. Look at these messages, people. Her sister wrote them on YouTube and was cussing the fuck out of her. I'm gonna post them on my page once I'm done. I'm gonna post them up. Yeah. You love cause trouble? Alright, me I'll give you trouble. I'll give you fucking trouble, bitch. We'll give you trouble. Yeah. This is how I want to kick in your blood clot head. Just like that, bitch. Kick in your blood clot head. Just like that. Just like fucking that. Watch out. Ugly fucking dog shit. Don't come fucking chat to me. Nice, you dumb fuck. Look at you. In the white people them house. Look on the fucking picture them on the wall. The people them who live there. Look on them picture. Look at their picture on my foot. Don't fucking kill me. Fear blood clot foot can never. She can never. Not anything that she has on anything. She can never ever compare herself to me. Or anybody that's over. Yeah, so. I know everybody that we talk to have them things. Have them one man. Whether it's husband or common law. Dog shit bitch Saunders, yes. Even if they're common law, they're still so-called married in the government's eyes, okay? And they have their kids. All of the other ones, them on the next side, them don't have them picnic, them don't have no man, them miserable your fuck, them not get no hood in them blood clot, them not get no good fuck, nowhere, no how, no, nothing. None of the above. None of the above. Look how the little girl catch her. And she had look in the rear view mirror at the door. You see the little white head right there? She come down to look to see where she gone. And she going at the people them car. Just to do a IG fucking 2-second video. So you'd rather risk your fucking job, bitch. You risk your job for IG just to prove that you have a Porsche? Fucking boss, me I tell you. Yes, why you do it, John Crow? Me I look fit to play it right now. Fucking idiot. She fool? You think I'm gonna ever in life risk my job for IG? You fucking nuts. You can't chat to me, blood clot, y'all. And chat to me nice. You know, see how me nice, bitch. You know, see how me nice. Move your dirty blood clot. You can't even wear heels. I don't even want to picture this bitch in heels. Because at her son's graduation, you know what she do? She wore leopard slippers. She wore leopard slippers to her graduation year. Wait, take it off. After she wore leopard slippers. You see that dress? Which graduation day? Yeah. Look at this. See what you call car, you so girl? In my blood clot car. Yeah. My car. Yeah. No borrow car or fake car. Dopey. Cool. Watch out. Listen, listen. What about myself? And I'm a license. And I'm not afraid to use it. What? Run up. Nobody never spliced nothing in that blood clot video. Nobody. Shut up, bitch. And look at Kiara. Look on Kiara, bitch. Yeah. Boy, I sit down in a blood clot ugly van. Watch out. Who remember this? Who remembers this picture where she put up? But, oh, can you guys see me? Oh, shit. The woman said, can you guys see me? Bitch, this is like 1940, 1930. Are you fucking kidding me? This was... So, you're telling me that you were born when they had black and white film and pictures? Like, are you fucking kidding me? Box with dog with a Chanel bag. Kabisi, the egg woman, yeah, I show off with DKN at that. Me, I said to 19 not years ago, don't fucking kill nobody. Wear them, the brand again, or use them. And tell me you figure a racist bitch. You never know that? He's a racist. That's why a lot of black people stop wearing his fucking clothes. Dumb bitch. She's stupid, yo. Who wears fucking DKNY? And let me, hold on, let me look for it. Look at this. Oh, fuck. Yo, they resemble bad, don't it? Jesus Christ. Don't fucking kill me. Yo, I'm killing myself. I'm dying right now. Yo, this shit's fucking hilarious. And look, I have all... Yo, I'm gonna save this. I'm just gonna save this for next day. But hold on. I'm gonna show you something. Hold on. You said the woman ugly as fuck. Don't fucking kill me. See the people in back area with the pool. Where is justice for the pool? We need justice. We need justice to blood clot. Justice. Look at the backyard though, people. You tell me say fear backyard would I look like this? You're fucking smoking. You're smoking. And the white people them house. Yeah. Yup. See the man here with blood clot Sam, aka Eddie. See, she's saying that the other picture that was put up with the dog, the man has different dogs. It's not just one dog that he had. Sam was a new addition to the family, and maybe, hold on, who sent me this? What the fuck? Hold on, people. Hold on. Yeah, like I was saying, this fucking bitch got the dog from the people them, because they probably went on vacation or whatever, or probably even sold her the dog, but it was little to nothing because it was too much. You see what I'm saying? Because they have like 3 or 4 other dogs. Please, he probably was in the pound and fucking gave it to them, or he gave it to her. Who fucking knows? But you have to people them dog though. That's how much I know. And his name is Eddie. His name is not Sam. She's only saying, don't you notice that every time she says Sam, the dog don't even look? The dog don't even acknowledge her. He walks away. And Sam, I lead the way. Sam is dragging the dog. He's dragging the fucking big dog on the leash. Sam don't like her. Sam don't like her. I don't know her. See her, yeah? A blood clot wig. Move, you dirty blood clot. You're fucking bright. You're fucking bright. Watch out. Yeah, let's talk truth. Long-term pedophilia run all up. So that's why people should not trust you with your kids. Shut up, post on everybody. That this girl Tanya, man was running around with 11-year-old, and you're still laughing with her. You step down on your life, but you curse out Tanya with her. You curse out so much. Say this woman lie. She talk a bag of shit. With those kids. And the only time you came out and talk about those things is when you're mad. Is when you're mad. So black people wicked and vile. Listen to this bitch. Shut up. So programs you put up in the black community. Pedophilia, murdering, raping, all of those things we put up with. Not by the perpetrator, but by somebody out there. Oh, shut the fuck up. Look at my room, bitch, and shut up. How about that? See my bedroom? See my big fucking bed? You see how my walls look different? And then watch, you're gonna see tomorrow she's gonna go be painting somebody's house and say it's hers. And then go get a nice big mirror like the one that's in my living room. She bad my blood clot. She bad my mirror until she went to the people them's house to go fix up their house and said, oh, we're gonna put 2 mirrors. Why are you gonna put 2 mirrors in the bathroom? Over the toilet? So I'm looking for this. Hold on. I'm looking for the videos I put up of her. I don't know where I put it. Dog shit. Have the fucking nerve. Stop saying people's name. If people don't talk about you, leave them the fuck alone. You wanna see money, bitch? See it there. You see money? That's money. Me and my man share each other's money. We have a joint account. Unlike you have to be getting money in your hand because you're being given child support. That $200 a week is child support. Because your man does little odd jobs and he doesn't get paid much. Okay, dog shit? Talk truth. Yeah, talk. Fucking waste bitch. You love call people blood clot name. And don't know what the fuck you're talking about. Stupid. Okay, here me find it. Watch ya. Look ya. Look ya. At the blood clot ancient table. Look at the ancient table, people. Talk true? Ancient. Not even them in my mother house have them chair there. Our table. Rather than 30. Don't kill me. Don't fucking kill me. Hour in the middle of the oh my god. That's supposed to be on the floor, no? In like a corner. Chaka, all these little Jesus Christ, look at this. Where this is, you see right where it cut off at the bottom there? So the kitchen attached right to the living room, right to the dining room, right around in a circle. Fucking dummy. And they have the friggin' nerve to come chat up your mouth about me, bitch. I have fucking, you see my fucking, just one side of my apartment, my condo, looks better than yours. It just mash up your whole blood clot, whole house. Just that one section that I put up looks better than your whole house put together. Look at that. 3 carpets on one, bro. Like, who does that? And those are like those Indian fucking Aladdin carpets from way back in our blood clot days. Look at that. Look at the one in front of it. Look at the mat in front of the door. Tell truth. Watch out. I'm gonna like say you better than nobody else. Bitch, back up. Back the fuck up. Yeah? And stop chat shit. Bare fuck with the girl talk. I make it seem like, oh, we're doing this and we're doing that. Shut up. Shut the fuck up. Okay? And both your door is not red. What is this? What is? Thank God for Sam. Thank you, Sam. Sam expose you. You and your red door. Go on, like say you not live there. But oh, let me go knock. You guys want me to go knock on the people them's door? Oh no, baga e. It's your own door. You knock on Jankro. You just circle the block and make it seem like if you're going somewhere else. Dog shit. Watch out. It's red. The door is a red door. Just like what we've been saying. Yep. What Sam? Poor Sam. Poor Eddie. Hold on there. Who remember this?
I get choked up.
I stole this from off the people them's page. Don't fucking kill me.
Never made it back.
Fake tears, bitch. Watch your fake tears. No tears shall wipe.
I get sick. As in now, you guys could see, seems like I'm coming down with a flu or
Watch the blood clad hot people.
And
look like Sanford and Son.
I feel around this time, I feel so sad.
It's so sad. Shut the fuck up. You lie? You lie?
This time it was his last year.
Last year. What?
Out in the army, you all.
So all of a sudden now I reached from last year to 6 years ago?
Imagine the day.
Listen.
I was called down to the office. My parents had to come and pick me up from school, you all. My grandfather never made it.
Watch out.
So this day is very emotional for me, you all. I'm sorry, people.
Shut the fuck up, you lying bitch.
Emotional for me. When it comes to my family, I don't run joke.
You run joke? But you run joke with other people's family though, bitch.
You all. That's why around this time, all the time, around this time, I was trying to come out.
Didn't she just say in World War I?
Minutes later. To pick up my grandfather, who passed away almost 6 years ago, but he was a veteran. He was in the army and he was a veteran. You know that it's Remembrance Day coming up November 11. So as Canadian, we start wearing our poppies already. So to all of the veterans.
She's not Canadian or Jamaican. Yes, why you do it, John Crow? Why you do it? Fuck are you?
My 11th birthday, my grandfather never made
Stop your bullshit. Stop the fuckery, lying
And
ass.
until this day, people, when
Shut up.
these days come around, I get sick. As in now,
I get
it
sick.
seems like I'm coming down with a flu or something. And every year,
See my house there, bitch. Talk through this one section of my house. Beat out the whole of your blood clot house, bitch. The whole of your yard. Yep. Happy birthday to my sister Tanya. Ow. Hey, go Tanya. Ooh. Go on, the girl. Pretty girl Tanya. Pretty girl Tanya, it's your birthday, mama. Happy birthday, boo. Watch out.
these are rental. You guys know these are
It's
rental.
exhibit time. Blood clot. Watch me on our pussy wall. I'm going to save some for tomorrow. We have to teach the people them video. She is Jamaican. Canadian, my blood clot. Watch out. Oh no, she can't open this blood clot restaurant now. The pub, the restaurant. I show the people them place where she have fix up. Don't kill me. Open house me bumble. So why have the camera all the time if you're opening a place? That don't make sense. Call your name. Yeah, where is the bar? Hello. Where is the bar? Where is it? Whoa. You're dying. Don't fucking kill me. Where is this bar? Do we work and it's a come? Okay, where is it? You guys ask her where's her bar, okay? And the...
Why you doing drunk?
Yo, I'm gonna die right now. Oh shit. This is shit that she sent me in my inbox. This fucking bitch. See, she'll send me brass fucking picture in my inbox. On her fake page. That's her fake page, people. Chins 4623. So you got shots from now. You see how she'll send me? What does this have to do with me? Like, she's sending it to my inbox. Like, why are you sending me Brass's picture? What does that have to do with me? You feel me? Like, fuck out of here, bro. The woman did living on my inbox with like 10 different blood clot page. Don't worry, me I go show them exhibit tomorrow. Me I hold them for tomorrow. Mind she pass out, she better fuck. Are you serious? They send you. If you're married, or okay, say if you're married, right? You're married, then she'll say, oh, you don't have no picnic, or you don't have no, like, it's always something. It's either you have a man or you don't have a man. And if you're fat or you're skinny, you know what I mean? Like, there's always something gonna be wrong in her eyes. Cable and going into people's house, doing all those little petty shit. It's like a teenager looking attention. Looking fucking attention, yo.
And that's why people should not trust you with your kids. Because you knew so-called that this girl, Tanya, man was running around with 11-year-old.
Tanya, she secretly hated, but yes. Yes. She never liked her. She dropped all her pictures in my inbox and talking shit. And I was like, but I don't know Brash like that. So why are you sending me this dog shit? Stop sending me other people's picture. Like, what does that have to do with me? You know what I mean? And she, yo, me I go, don't worry, me I go drop the exhibit them tomorrow. Yeah, me I hold back in the fight.
Murdering, raping. Paper towel up.
Where is this? Can't show none of it on now. On now, people. And you can't open it? Oh, your blood clot. You don't have nothing yet. Your broke like church mode. They have nothing.
Defibrillator up.
You don't have nothing.
Heart attack. Safety box
cool
up.
with nobody.
It's working. Our fryers up.
She can never have a good friend. Ever.
Just start up. It's working.
Never, ever could she have a good friend.
Discipline and everything.
Because as soon as she knows their business, then guess what? She'll call immigration on them if they're not like straight or whatever. I could see her doing that shit because she did it to Tanya and she did it to Chin Allen.
Get this camera up and all of them things, quite frankly.
You see what I'm saying? She have video the people them stuff and video the ground. Why are you videotaping the ground?
Have fun. You guys behave.
Why don't she talk to the white people them picnic? And then worry if them upstairs because she don't want them coming downstairs to come and catch her opening their fucking door going out to the backyard. Watch her. She chat to herself. Watch her. Watch her, people. Watch her.
I'm bringing that back.
Mental health is real, boy.
I'm gonna dump that back.
Watch her.
And
Talking to herself. Nobody know that. See how she's holding the camera in front of her and making it look like like she's just walking around? You fuck are you? Watch. She asked if the child upstairs because she want to go fast and open up the people them blood clot door. Fucking wicked bitch. Is it because we all live in different countries? Why people has to
yeah, no worries.
Yes, diary. Yeah.
No.
Yes. But she reported her to housing.
No.
Chin don't live in no housing. Chin don't even live in Canada. She lives in the States. What is she talking about? She don't know shit. Yeah. Watch her.
Is Callin upstairs?
Look at this. Watch her. The white people then pitch out Piazza then circle. Watch her. She there in front of it, but she's looking the opposite way to see if anybody had come. Or fucking peasant. You're friggin' broke like church mouse and I walk around the good people house. You're friggin' bright. Bright in her ass. I'm not even sure how she not get arrested yet. She need to get charged, yo. They need to lock up her blood clot. Yeah, the kids are white. She's looking all over and her eye them big you fuck. I look side to side to see if anybody are come. See if anybody's coming. She fool. Look at this. Hold on. Now you tell me. I took stuff off that page. I'm not gonna lie. That Love to Saunders page, yo, it's funny as fuck. I can't even laugh. That page is hilarious. Whoever has that page is hilarious, yo. Because that page is funny as fuck. Funny. No, sir. It's funny bad. Watch her. Look here. That's not the same bedded. Are the same bedded people? Come in, no, some in a blind. The one part the left of your house, the dark house. The dark house with the messy sheets and shit. It ain't white. And look at the white people them wall. That's why we say the white people them house, the white house, because everything white. The walls are white in there, dummy. We never said you live in their house. We never said that. We're saying that you are portraying as if that house is yours, and it's not. Unless you want me to give it to you in proper English. You're portraying that the house is yours, and that you live in that big white house, and you don't. And it's all of a sudden, since you get flinging at court now, you start talking about, I'm at my job in the white people's house and not showing your face, show half of your face. Move your blood clot. Hey. She lie about everything. Everything. Every blood clot thing. See the video, yeah? I ate this. They said I don't live nowhere. Here, watch out. This is what I had up on my story. She's begging to live in the people's fucking house. Look at this. I catch on the people in bed. Get up. Chankro. Yeah, she favor guy called Lizard. Yeah. Yes, Diary. You to the word, yo. She looked like, that's why when she went live, I ended up putting the frog over her fucking face. That's what exactly what she looked like. The fucking lizard. She's not going to no court. Then go and lock up her dirty blood clot. Move out of the people in bathroom, bitch. See? She said that this is her house. I will want to find the people them. Going to find them and show them all of these videos. I say, look, the woman that go through your closet. You heard the people that slam them blood clot door. Watch out. None of those clothes would ever be on her. Ever. Watch out. If it was yours, wouldn't you take up the handbag and show them? You see how quick and fast she go into people them blood clot clothes? I mean, in their closet? Just by the look at her hair, you could tell she broke. Just by her hair alone. No, it's not. Move your dirty self, ugly bitch. Watch ya. Watch ya, people. Look on teeth. Watch white tongue. Jesus Christ. You can't bring here, say go to court, bitch. Yeah? So you can dig and look for whatever you have to. But I think you need to get a lawyer first. That should be your first priority instead of bagga-baggaing with people online and calling people name and talking about people's kids. Don't talk about fret them, bitch. Or fret them blood clot daughter. Dog shit. Her daughter is more well off than you. Just know that. Okay? Monkey in the middle. Yeah. You need to go sit on a limb somewhere. You fucking ape. Ape fucking Sanders. Watch her mouth long, man. Her mouth longy. Look from the nose. Okay, look at you guys' face, right? Just put your hand where your nose is, the bottom of your nose to the top of your lip. That's like 2 centimeters, right? Maybe 1.5 or 2 centimeters. Look how long for your nose and her top lip go. Jesus Christ. It looked like the one on the left, for real. I'm not lie. Jesus, peace. Girl, just not call me blood clot name. That's all me I tell you. It's getting late, you guys. I just want to play one song for the John Crow before I go. Hold on. Let me see if I have it on the phone. Hold on there. Hold on there. Hold on, let me see if I have it on the phone. Oh. I see a van there, bitch. Your van and your fucking Honda. Okay? You want exhibit? Me I'll show the blood clot exhibit. See your fucking caravan and then the fucking Honda. How you like that? Yep. And the fence where you live is right. That's all. Yes, my love. Watch picture. Coupon you to or call anybody name. Look at that. Look at exhibits. Look at that. Yeah, she blocked you. You know why? Because she cannot deal with confrontation. And if anybody that goes on her page and has an opinion, has their own opinion, and it's not the same as hers, she'll block you and tell you you're not listen. Didn't you hear what I said? And and then she will block you and take germs. Give them something to talk about. Pop. Talk about. Hey. Talk about. You know, look that. Hey, 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 hey. Happy birthday, Tanya.
There's no more you and me. Why? Right now them get me.
This said the woman I drop all kind of blood clots. Look at this, bitch. You been fucking with my cousin, bitch. What does it say? Hold on. I been fucking with my cousin, bitch. But dare you to drop your address and see if I don't leave from Brampton to step in your face. She's so whack. You know this is a whack ass bitch we're talking about, right? A low ass bitch. A skirmish dog shit that don't have shit. Bad people move in silence, dog shit. We move in silence. You think I'm gonna give you my address and then you just show? I don't know if you're gonna show up with people. I don't know if you're gonna show up by yourself. I don't know that, right? Why would I do that and set up myself? Fuck out of here. Anyhow, I see you, and you can mark my fucking words. Anytime I see you in the West End, anytime I see you in Toronto, period, I'm gonna kick off your fucking face, and I ain't fucking joking. Yeah? I'm gonna say this one's for Tanya, this one's for Fret them, this one's for whoever, this one's for whoever. I beer, thump and kick, box, everything in a one. Cause you don't know if you fight. From school days, you don't know if a beer beat up, you used to get beat up. Yeah, that's truth. That's probably why your head make a look so. Let me find the picture. Hold on, one day, people. Hold on. Hold on, that's let me show. Oh no. This fucking bitch. You want to see fucking. And have the nerve to be labeling her fucking thing as and put my name on it. Don't fucking yo. Listen. Sure. See her hair? That's how she look. Like a fucking donkey. Her fucking teeth them. Her teeth them buff like blood clot Roger Rabbit. Roger fucking Rabbit. Yeah? Roger fucking Rabbit. Stink and bright like. But yeah, I think I'm gonna leave the rest for. Oh, you want to see my man's car that he actually rented. I'm not gonna lie like you and said that he bought it, but he did a video shoot with him and his boys. Yeah, I can show you that bitch. Look, okay, look. You see car, y'all. Man a top man. Yeah? My man is a top man. Him man a punk. Move your dirty blood clot. You stink like shit. Fucking bitch. Look at that. Those are fucking dentures. Don't they look like dentures, you guys? Look at the front teeth. Oh my god. Look at that. Jesus, peace of mercy. I have so much shit on this bitch. She don't even know. She don't know. And she needs to leave fucking people alone. Leave people a fucking alone that's not troubling you, dog. You fucking nasty bitch. Now look at her hand. Look at her hand and look at my hand. Like, look at that wedding band. That's what she's calling a wedding band. Look like a popcorn. Look like one of those, what do you call those, like in the box? Shit. what's the name of it again? Cracker Jack box. Yes, it looked like it come out of a Cracker Jack box. It looked like those rings that turn your finger green. Talk truth. At least mine have diamonds. Yeah, mine has diamonds. The fucking bitch has the nerve. Silver. It's fucking not even gold or not even white gold. It's fucking silver. It looks brass. Looks like iron, just like you fucking dummy. Get that to nobody, you bitch. Have the damn nerve to want to compare yourself to fucking people. Go sleep. Look at this. Look at that. Huh? Fucking nasty girl. Or germs. Oh, is this the 5 minutes later?
I have a license firearm and I'm not afraid to use it.
Watch it.
Walk, run up. All gonna make video for me. Tell me where to meet you.
Later that same evening.
Have the police report. When they can call the police and tell them say me have gun. Wanna know say me not have no gun.
But you just said it, you fucking dummy. That's not a spliced video. That just has, if you know the difference with effects. Anybody that edits video, Candy, you know videos, right? Did that look spliced to you? I don't think so. That don't look spliced. That looks like it has effects, right? It has like effects to it. I don't think that, it's not spliced. Because it's a live video. It's a live that she did. And they just cut it right at that point, right? Now you know own a gun. You're a liar. Hear the big chat. You're a bad girl. Later that same evening. Start playing victim. Now you know own a gun. You're a liar. You fucking lying cunt. You're a liar. Yeah, run up.
Later that same evening.
This was the same fucking place where you were working. Don't, bitch? Yeah, we know. Okay? We fucking know, dog shit. Talk truth. Yep. Yes. And that's where you used to go to school. Uno take on the screenshots from now, my love. Yeah, that's where you used to go to school. Westview by Jane and Finch. It's like 8 minutes from Driftwood. Move your dirty blood clot. You fucker, yo. Watch the classroom of 1920. Can't bother. Look at exhibit 12 or 50. No, sir, people. Wanna talk true. Look on this. Where is she? Where is she at? Can anybody point and tell me which one is her? In which row? The front row, the middle row, the back row? Anybody anywhere? Da da dee, da da da, da da da. I be old people me see nobody young. And then white people there, them not young. They're like in their 20s. No black people that look young, like young. Please. Black and white picture, blood class show as if. See the gift that my man bought me, bitch? Dumb bitch. You see? Gifts on top of gifts on top of gifts, you dog shit. Yep. Gifts and more gifts and more gifts. You're just mad because your man don't buy you nothing. All he does is drop off the little dege $200 and that's it. Watch out, people. Watch out. Oh my God. Ugh. I'm blind. I'm gonna Fucking have nightmares tonight. I'm going to have nightmares. Oh my god, it's just in my. She called CPS on herself. Damn jackass. Is she a fool? She a fucking fool.
Well, I'm not afraid of
Way back in the further way up. So around the bend, yes. Oh, COVID, don't kill me. You guys are killing me. We have beer exhibit over here. The beer. See me nice nails, damn. See me nice nails, damn. Dog shit. Fucking bitch. So, where's the other one of her? I can't find it. But she's bad mind, yo. That's how she is blood clot bad mind. She bad mind everything that we do, bitch. See, look, that's what I ate for dinner. Topaz, bitch. You can't afford it. Okay? Fucking Paz. Yeah, take one scrub with a toilet blood clot brush. See ya? Who remember this? My sister friend that funny as fuck. Boyfriend. Watcha. I'm gonna end it with this one, people. Look here. Talk truth now, people. Zombie. I hope I don't scare you guys before you guys go to your bed. She's scary. She's gonna come and get you guys in you guys' dreams, in you guys' nightmares. Oh my god. Ah. Ugly though. What the fuck are ugly bad? Watch your teeth. Watch your aligned. Why don't she pay for her jaws to be aligned? Because it's too far down. Okay, bitch? And fix your teeth. Get veneers. Do something. Like, you're not up to the time right now. You're fucking way back in 1990. Bitch ass nigga. Fucking slow bitch. No fucking sense whatsoever. None. Well, anyways, guys, I just had to come and say what I had to say because the John Crow was using my name to get dub plate. You can't be us, bitch. You can never be us, ever in life. We were the first ones to ever play any kind of intro on YouTube, on the internet in general. We were the first ones to play artists in front of our, before we go live. Yeah. We have dub plates, we have fucking jingles, we have all of the above. Okay? Don't be mad. Osha. Nicole, Saunders, don't be mad. Stop hating and stay in your fucking lane, bitch. I'm not gonna say it again. I'm telling you and I'm warning you, okay? May that be a warning. Do not call my pussyclat name. You came on live, said what you said. I'm coming on live to say what I have to say. Don't call me name. Because trust me, I have a whole lot when me want blood clot dash out on you. So if you know what good for you, you just stay in your blood clot corner and sit down and just watch your pre. Yeah. Fucking dog shit. Nasty gal, you're bright. Well, anyways, guys, talk to you guys later. Yeah, nightmare. Yeah, fucking Freddy. A Freddy Krueger. Freddy Krueger. This bitch. Dog face. She have a waft dog head. Yeah. But anyways, hold on. Let me see if I could play this song real quick before I go. Hold on. Hold on there. 1 second. Let me go on. Let me go on this. Hold on there. Hold on. Hold on, hold on. How the blood clot this thing are bringing me? Okay, let's see. How the bumper ass clot this thing I do? Hold on. Yeah. One second, people. I'm just trying to look for something here. Okay, I found it. Alrighty. 1 minute.
Girl king from man and can't get the girl no brother.
Give. Last time see all the girl in her, she had one thing in her bar, you know.
How that a go on?
Style them a style thing, you know. Hold them together, you hear that, General?
Them for that a go on, brother, you know, so but I've got fly me all the boy in the background and run off your mouth
Yes,
and
I'm
take
not
man, no, brother. So they don't know it going on, man. They go fly them two back there for me, no, brother. Get me like 2 of them.
See, I heard you.
Yeah, chat to me now. You want to tell you your chat. Yeah, chat up.
Hold on.
Not even a girl now knock from tail like Uno.
Pop.
On the day me go know we spoil like bad mind. Make it this Disney punchline.
Oh, your bad mind so. Glasses, girl, oh, your bad mind so. Good night. Good night, people. In Farmer Pussy Wall. Night, everyone.